Ma'am Crystal Castro and family, and Sir Dr. Chris for our first button. Ready? One, two, three. Alright. Now the gold light is now turned on. Next, for the second button, I would like to call Ma'am Crisantea Yu and family. Are you ready, ma'am? Alright, number two. Button number two. Red. Alright, thank you so much. Next on the list, Ma'am Kat Rieza and family for button number three. This is very exciting because finally we're gonna see the beauty of Villa Excellence. Number three. Alright. That's the green lantern. This way, please. For button number four, Ma'am Zarina Songo and family. What color? What color? Alright, number four. One, two, three. Alright, the white light or the white lantern is now light up. And for button number five, I would like to call near the panel, Madam Cynthia Castro, the owner of Villa Excellence. Are you ready, ma'am? Alright, button number five. One, two, three, go! Alright, we have a big lantern over there. For button number six, I would like to call near the panel, Sir Carlo Antonio Castro, the CEO of Villa Excellence. Are you ready? Are you feeling nervous, sir? No? Okay, alright. One, two, three. Alright, congratulations. And at this point, may I invite all of you again to please come near the panel because we have our last button. You may take videos of this, guys, because this is very momentous. Alright. This is what's gonna happen, ladies and gentlemen. You have to press it all together. Alright? Are you ready? We will count 1, 2, 3. Pwede niyo po ba akong sabayin, mga kaibigan? We will count 1, 2, 3. Pakilakasan niyo po yung inyong mga bosses. Alright, and after we count, that's the time you can press that button. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3! stage for Remy. Bibilang ulit tayo guys. I will count again. 1, 2, 3, then after I count, raise your glasses and we will shout cheers, okay? Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Raise your glasses.
Nakanoto ng fireworks sa Juan.
Thank you so much.